Okay, bitaw na ng kamay, all KD crew. Bitaw na ng kamay. Okay, for this morning, we'll be having our first game. Okay? Simple lang mechanics ng ating game. Okay, but this time, may tanong muna si Kuya Christian. What color is this? Very good, purple. This time, bawat isa sa inyo makakatanggap ng purple object. Okay. But this time, ipapasa muna sa katabi. Ipasa sa katabi ang purple object. Okay, pass. Kailangan lahat ng kitty crew nakakahawak ng purple object. Okay, but this time, okay, stop na. Okay, this time, kailangan bago ipasa ang shake your body. Okay, pass the object. Shake your body, pass the object. Okay, this time, lalagyan natin ito ng sounds. Okay, maliwanag ba RTD crew? Okay. Pag narinig yung tumigil ang sounds at nasa inyo ang purple object, ma-out na sa game. Kaya this time, kung sino yung pinakamagaling na shake your body at magaling ipasa ang object, makakatanggap ng game prizes. Maliwanag ba? Okay, this time pag narinig na raw tumigil ang sounds, ma-out na sa game RTD crew okay, because Ronald McDonald says it's ready and 3, 2, 1, go!
Ellie, shake your body. Shake. Dance, Ellie, dance.
Kailangan bago ipasa ang object, nag-shake your body.
Ellie, mag-shake ikaw.
Parang may nakikita na ako magaling mag-shake your body. In 3, 2, okay, sino may hawak ng object? Okay, this time, trial pa lang natin yan, okay? Pag narinig na
Ellie, shake ikaw, shake.
mic test, hello. Mic test. Hello. 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 Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much. Saan ka na lang for our next game? Okay, ilan na natanggal? Dapat dalawang matatanggal sa ating round. Okay, thank you so much, Tammy and Princess. Sali na lang kayo for our next game. Okay, Ronald McDonald says, ready, get set, go. Parang wala ako nakikitang nag-shake your body while passing the object. Thank you so much. Sorry na lang kayo for our next game. on count of three. Two. Thank you so much. Halika na lang agad for our next game.
Ang galing na Eli.
Ilan na lang kaya ang natitira? Okay, for this round, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 winners. Kaya dapat galingan ang pag-shoot your body. In 3, 2, one, thank you so much. Sali na lang kayo for our next game. Okay. Okay, compress tayo ng konti RKG crew, yung mga natitira.
Eli, shake your body.
Okay, thank you so much. Sali na lang kayo for our next game. Ilan na
Eli, shake your body.
kailangan bago ipasa ang object, mag-shake your body. Because this time, malalaman na natin kung sino ang winner for our first game. In 5, 4, 3. Congratulations to our winner because this round, congratulations at nanalo for our first game. Congratulations to our Guilty Group.
You didn't win.